Next tayo sa sample problem number 11 na tayo. So, from CE Board na November 2016. So, pinapahalo sa atin, obtain the gauge pressure in vessel mercury at a point 150 mm below the liquid surface, expressing the answer in kPa. So, for example, i-drawing natin yung kunyari vessel. Ayan. Ayan. So, ang pinapahanap, so from a point below the liquid surface, ayan, for example, andito yung liquid surface natin, pinapahanap is yung gauge pressure daw dito. So, for example, yan, hanggang dyan. Ito yung 500 mm natin. So, gamma H ulit. P is equal to gamma H. So, P 13.6. Pero ang binigay is actually hindi water. So, mercury yung binigay. So, ang SG or the specific gravity ng mercury is 13.6. So, gamma. Ayan, gamma is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times the specific gravity, which is 13.6. Ayan, ng specific gravity ng mercury. So, times natin ito. That would be our H. So, 500 mm. So, gawin nating meter. So, 0.5 meter. So, yan. Yung magiging pressure natin ngayon is P is equal to 9.81 times 13.6 times 0.5. So, our answer is 66.708 kPa. So, ayan. Ito, meter squared. Ayan. So, kilonewton meter squared or kilonewton meter squared, di ba? Kilonewton meter squared is kPa. Or 66.708 kPa. Ayan. So, yan yung answer natin for sample problem number 11. 66.708 yung pressure sa 500 mm. Ayan.